guys, so it's Rick and Tammy, and Rick decided to cut his ABC, or what are they called? Sensors from his tire, and he realized that he cut something that he wasn't supposed to. So
no, it's because they were in the way.
They were in the way. You really gotta step on the cat.
I didn't step on the cat.
Oh, so now we are trying to rewire it. So we're taking it apart.
Well, I need to go buy the soldering thing.
Yeah, well, explain what you've done. Get
well, they
closer.
were in the way from me
camera?
doing the fucking thing, so whatever.
Can you explain what these are?
Fucking speed sensors.
Speed sensors. Can you get closer so you're on camera?
I just need to rewire it.
Can you get closer so you're on camera?
I mean,
Okay, so we're just trying to, because he accidentally grinded it off, so now we gotta try to scrape it off or do something so we can rewire it together and stuff like that. So we
I
did.
just have to solder it together.
Yeah. So we did a boo-boo. So that's what we're doing today, guys. Well, not really, but sort of. And I told him, if you cut something, it's on you. Didn't I say that? You better make sure you don't cut something we needed.
Yeah, but when you say shit like that, then obviously it's gonna happen.
You said you didn't. Whatever, Rick. Don't blame me. You little fucker. Don't blame me.
Whatever, it's just fucking rewiring things. It's not hard.
Yeah.
The hard part is just get the wire out of this. Well, the
Yeah.
wire's out on this.
Can we use my nail thing? Like, you know, that thing that sands it?
I guess I could. But I don't wanna like, you know, miss a spot and then it goes and cut the wire. That's why I'm doing it by hand.
Gotcha. That's why the phone's dropping. Because you're sawing. With a knife, guys.
Well, it's a fucking teeth. Same thing as a saw.
So what are you doing?
I have a bunch of other ones.
So you're going to extend it to make it longer so it's not outside of the car? Do you think it's going to work?
Well, yeah. I wouldn't.
No, I mean like extending it.
Well, yeah. You can extend it.
Well, I don't know. I just thought when,
Well,
doesn't things lag when it...
small knots and some wires. They're not big wires, they're little.
Gotcha.
Oh, don't lay on my wires, bud. He's already laying on
Oh,
it.
he's too cute. Oh, look at me. There he is. There he is. People.